Hey, what's going on, everyone? Super happy and grateful to be here with each and every single one of you today. Welcome to the training. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to enhance our crash builds for more tension and release inside of our house music tracks. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and listen to what a crash sounds like with no processing on it. You can hear it sounds full, it sounds thick, right? But in order to enhance our drops, for example, here with a simple crash build, what we're going to do is we're going to manipulate the transients by going down to the bottom left here in preserve, right? And we're going to select the drop down menu with one arrow to the right. And then we're going to pull the transients down here to, let's go 35. And let's listen to what it sounds like now after we adjusted the transients and did a little transient design. You can hear it sounds crisp, it sounds tight, right? So if we're able to do this on the non-drop side of the arrangement, right? So let's say this section only that I'm highlighting here, right? And then on the other side, we have a nice full transients, right? Then we can create a little bit of tension that way with light transients and then to a more full transient release and resolution on the drop side of the crash, okay? So this is what's going to sound like just by itself if we do the transient design plus move up the transients on the drop side. So you can see how it's nice and crisp and tight. And then at the drop, we have a nice full crash to complement the rest of the song coming in, right? So one more time. And for a little bit of interest, a little bit of sauce that we can make this sound a little bit more interesting, we can add a bit of delay. You can add it to taste, right? Depending on what your goal is for this track. So altogether, it sounds like this. Create some movement, right? It's not just so stale and static. And then all together. This, this, this. So as you can see, adjusting the transients on the non-drop side, let's say lowering it to about 35, right? So lowering the transients on the non-drop side and then allowing the drop side to be more full with more transients allows you to create a little bit of tension, and the crashes building up to the drop are nice and crisp and tight, and the resolution is in that nice full crash sound that we get when everything comes back in. I hope this video helped, and we'll see you in the next one.